The F1 error code on your DeLonghi portable air conditioner is a common issue that can have several different causes. Understanding what this error means is the first step to fixing your unit. The most common cause of the F1 error is a problem with the indoor unit's room sensor. This sensor monitors the temperature in your room, and when it becomes disconnected or starts malfunctioning, the F1 error appears. However, the F1 error can also indicate other problems depending on your specific model. These include airflow obstructions in the pump system, fan motor issues, especially common in 3D comfort models, or the need for a system reset. In some cases, the F1 error might indicate communication problems between indoor and outdoor units, or general mechanical component failures. This internal view shows the complexity of components that could potentially cause the error. The system diagram shows how indoor and outdoor units communicate. Understanding that the F1 error can stem from various components helps you approach troubleshooting systematically. The key is identifying which specific cause applies to your situation. When your DeLonghi portable AC shows an F1 error, start with the most basic troubleshooting step, a complete system reset. If the reset doesn't work, check your drainage system. The F1 error often indicates problems with water drainage or airflow obstructions. A dirty air filter is one of the most common causes of F1 errors. Restricted airflow forces the system to work harder and can trigger error codes. If the F1 error persists after these basic steps, the problem likely involves internal components like sensors or the control board that require professional diagnosis. Always prioritize safety when troubleshooting your AC unit. Never attempt repairs while the unit is plugged in, and avoid harsh cleaning chemicals that can damage components.